Greetings, scientific explorers. It's Professor Uys, and it's naturally all about science. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Today we're going to look at ecology. So ecology is the study of an ecosystem, but in order to discuss this, we need to figure out what an ecosystem is. So let's break it down. An ecosystem consists out of various different organisms. So the simplest version is an individual organism. An individual organism we also refer to as a species. Right? So if I have one kind of an organism, I refer to that as a species. Right? I have one crocodile, this crocodile is a species. The moment I have more than one of the same kind, two crocodiles, then I refer to that grouping as a population. Right? So now you know why we talk about cities as populations, because everybody in that city is from one species, and that is Homo sapiens, that's people. So I have an organism which is referred to as a species. More of that specific time together is called a population. Now where I have populations together, in other words, a population of crocodile, a population of fish, a population of giraffe, those populations together, we call that a community. Right? And different communities together, so let's put this into perspective, because a lot of times we get confused with the term community. I have a pond. In the pond there are fish, right? A population of fish, there's a population of frogs, and there's a population of crocodile. That is their main habitat, their area of living. That together we will refer to as a community, right? And then not further from there, just on the banks of the pond, is a grassland. In that grassland I have grasshoppers, I have antelopes, all different populations together, and then that grassland will form a grassland community. Grassland community, pond community. And when those different communities interact with each other, that is what we refer to as an ecosystem. So if we completely zoom out about different ecosystems, the biggest grouping of ecosystems, what we know in the universe at this stage, is called the biosphere. And the biosphere is the earth that consists out of different ecosystems. Now in an ecosystem, there are two main categories that we can define. Abiotic, which means it's never been alive. Abiotic is dead factors. So those would be temperature, wind, gradient of or slope of a hill, water, air, sunlight. Those are your abiotic factors. But abiotic factors also include, or not include, as opposite is biotic factors. Biotic factors are the opposite. They are all living. So as you can see, living organisms need abiotic factors to function. And if we throw everything in the mix and we shake it, we are one big happy family called the biosphere. So you and I just make a small part of a bigger picture. So to make sure where you fit in, keep on watching as we go through the journey of discovering ecosystems.